I'm Hannah.
I'm Dion.
Welcome back to our channel.
It's finally winter!
I must say, some of these back roads are pretty rough. Yeah, I'm still driving in it. If you need a ride, go to ridingwithmark.com and look me up.
You know, we've been really struggling with the snow. We've been snowed in, and it's been really, really cold here.
Wait, Abby, we're supposed to be filming that way.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, right. Oh, no. All right, turn around. There we go. Okay, now it's much more believable. Anyways.
You know, we've been really struggling with the snow here, and it's been really cold, and we've been snowed in. So, you know, you guys stay safe out there.
This is like the edge of the step right here, so just be careful. And
Look.
this one too, right here.
Look how deep the snow is. I've never seen snow this deep in Ohio.
Yeah, I was about to say, you're from Minnesota and Alaska.
Yeah, right.
You've seen snow like this.
Look at her. I've never seen snow this deep in Ohio. Look how far my foot goes down. Look at my car.
You're wearing sneakers, I feel bad.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm good. This is beautiful. Look at my car. We're gonna have to shovel so much. It's literally up to the wheels. Wow. What's the road look like?
Not going anywhere.
No. Oh no. This is why we plan to stay here all day today. We're not doing anything. Look at this road.
Ohio, get your act together. It's not that hard to clean up the roads. Look at
It's
this.
it's called preparation in advance. Look, yeah, look at this. Hold up. Look at how much snow there is. This is ridiculous. We're in the middle of a city of 100,000 people, and the main roads haven't even had a plow go down them.
So we only have one shovel. I don't want to yell. So we only have one shovel. So this is what I'm doing.
She's sweeping off the top layer. Well, we've gotten this much done so far. Give you kind of an idea. Took us a couple minutes. We've got a long driveway. We've got that much done so far. You're so ridiculous. So Hannah made a really good pasta dish. She cooked up onions and garlic and put in, how do you say, Hannah? What's the pasta?
Rigatoni.
Yeah, rigatoni with meatballs. Very good. The onions and garlic was a good mix. We got the driveway finished up. It was exhausting. My back hurts
Same.
so much. But I'm going to finish up washing these dishes so that's taken care of. Got the rest of the chores done around the house. And then Hannah's going to make some hot chocolate, and she's going to show you a little fun thing she's doing. Yeah. And then I think we're going to watch a movie.
Yeah,
I think a movie that I can fall asleep to.
that's fine.
Yeah, I'm thinking night at the museum.
Night at the museum.
Yeah,
You want to fall asleep to that one?
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'll show you how I make peppermint hot chocolate. So you just use a packet of the Swiss Miss hot chocolate, and then Dion found this really yummy dark chocolate mint stuff at Aldi. So it's this is a pretty big bar. So I actually just split this in half, put it in the cup, and then when you pour the hot water on it, it melts. So
it was less than $2.
yeah.
It was like a huge chocolate bar. It was awesome.
Yeah, and then I haven't gotten it out yet, but then I also put some peppermint extract in because this is surprisingly not that minty, and if you have peppermint hot chocolate, you want it to you want to taste the peppermint. So I added in a little bit of the peppermint extract, and and yeah, it's really good. Ew, don't show that to them.
This is what happens when you don't have a grinder in your sink. You have to like stick your fingies in there and
I think everyone knows that.
There's nothing better than on a cold day, a big cup of hot chocolate. So, yeah. I think that does it. Don't be strangers, y'all. I love you.
Bye, friends.
You guys are awesome.
This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas.